if you want to activate your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, for that there are two methods. One is troubleshooting method and the second one is PowerShell admin method. So for that PowerShell admin method, we go to start menu and click on Windows PowerShell admin. Click on it. Click yes. Yeah. So here we are at the administrator Windows PowerShell. So type IRM space HTTPS colon double slash uh, get dot activated dot win space vertical bar space IEX. Enter it and wait for a few seconds. It will respond you. Yeah, it's working. You can see a new administrative Microsoft activation script 2.9 window is going on. So here you can see choose a menu option using your keyboard. It means you have to type one number in each of them. So what should be the number? The number is one, only one, and press from your keyboard. So here initializing, you can see here. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it will take a few seconds, so you just have to wait. uh, it's working. Wait for a few seconds, it's loading. Initializing is loading. Yeah, here you can see it's loaded. Windows 10 Pro is already permanently activated. Activation is not required. What does it mean? It means my Windows is already activated. So this video is only for the tutorial purpose, for those Windows users who are suffering from this activated logo or a question mark here in the right bottom of your screen corner. So here this is the real engineer method. Apply it and it will 100% work for your Windows 10 or 11. If you like this video, please click subscribe and comment so the other members also get it. Uh, Thank you.